How to fix Instagram emojis not showing. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up your Play Store. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar. Now type Instagram. Now tap on search. Tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. Simply tap on update and go back to the home screen. Now open up settings on a device. Then scroll down and click on apps. Then go to app management. Now find Instagram. Now tap on force stop and go to storage usage. Now tap on clear cache. Again simply go back. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom or simply tap on the search bar and type keyboard. Now tap on keyboard settings. Now tap on manage keyboards. Now select your keyboard. Now scroll down. Now tap on emojis. Now scroll down. Now make sure to enable the emojis. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.